Going to a Florida theme park is supposed to be a fun day, right? But for some people, it ends up in a trip to the hospital instead of the hotel. There was a man recently that went down a water slide at Blizzard Beach and ended up seriously injured. He's now suing Disney for damages. So, what happens if something like that happens to you? I'm Kerry Woods II. I handle personal injury cases all across Florida. I've worked with a lot of people who have been hurt at theme parks. This includes Disney, Universal, you name it. If you've been injured at one of these parks, I'd like to guide you through the steps that you should take, from your rights to what you can expect throughout the process. And if you've got questions after watching this, I'm only a phone call away. Let's talk about that water park case for just a second. A man was injured at Blizzard Beach and now he's in the middle of a lawsuit. He's asking for over $50,000 in damages. That type of injury could happen to anyone, whether it's on a slide, a ride, or just walking through the park. These parks are supposed to be safe, but when something goes wrong, the consequences can be severe. Unfortunately, they don't always make it easy for you to get the help and compensation you deserve. If you've been injured at a theme park, here's what I always tell my clients. First, get medical help. Even if it seems minor at the time, it's essential to get your injuries checked out and documented. Next, report the incident to park staff and make sure an incident report gets filed. Be sure to ask for a copy. Then gather any evidence you can. Photos and videos of where it happened, your injuries, and any condition that seems unsafe. If anyone witnessed your incident, please try to get their name and contact information. Hold on to your medical bills and proof of lost wages and receipts of any medication. And finally, get in touch with a personal injury lawyer who's handled theme park cases before. These parks have their own legal teams. You need someone who knows how to stand up to them and protect your rights. Here's the reality. Theme parks are going to do whatever they can to protect themselves. They might say you didn't follow the rules. They may argue that you were negligent. And in some cases, they'll point to liability waivers that came with your ticket. But in Florida, those waivers don't always hold up in court. What matters is whether they failed to provide a safe environment. If they did, and you were hurt as a result of it, you have every right to seek compensation. So if you're dealing with an injury at a Florida theme park, don't wait. Seek medical attention, document the incident, and consult with the lawyer for further assistance. I'm Kerry Woods II. I'm here to walk you through the process and fight for you. If you've been hurt, please give me a call. Let's discuss your options and explore how we can help you move forward.